Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make your seats like new. What we're using is two things. A cleaner, multi-purpose foam cleaner, and then one of these sponges. So by using these two, we're going to get everything clean. These seats are from 2014, so it's 7, almost 8 years old. They're like new. So just demonstrating this foam all-purpose cleaner. Scrub it like that. And you can do this multiple times until you try to get the stain removed. Now, this isn't 100%, but for most cases it's going to work. Alright, so it's a little dirty. So I don't know if you guys can see with the lighting, but it's a little bit better. Okay, here's a better example. So you can kind of see the stain here. Yeah, do you guys see how it's like a lighter gray? You can see before, kind of darker, and after. So we still need to clean here, some other places. Alright guys, hope that helps. So if some of the spots don't come off, you might have to use this steamer like this, and then it'll penetrate a little deeper, and then you can try wiping it, and then just repeat the process. Repeat the process, and then you're gonna be able to get like 80–90% clean and new. Depends on what kind of stain it is. Earlier I mentioned to clean the chair, you need a melamine foam sponge, and then the more you wipe it, it's gonna just remove all the stains, including like if it's like yellowish sweat stains or whatnot. And the other thing you want, if you can get, is a steamer. So this, you steam into the chair, and then after that, then you wipe it down, then you use the melamine foam sponge. Alright guys, so I hope that helps. It's done really well for me. Hope it helps you guys.